How to make reposts private on TikTok. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your TikTok application. As you can see, this account is already on private, is already set on private. So if you click on the repost there, you cannot see it. So let's just change account. Now, to be able to set your repost on private on TikTok, is what you're gonna do is just exactly like this. Go here to your profile section. On the bottom part, you'll see 5 different options there, right? Click on the profile and it will lead you here. Now, on the upper right, you will see 3 dash lines. Click on the 3 dash lines and go to settings and privacy. Now, under settings and privacy, go to privacy. Now, here, as you can see, under discoverability, you'll see private account. Now, all you have to do is to toggle that on. Once you toggle that on with a private account, only users that you approve that who can follow you and watch your videos, including your repost videos, your existing followers won't be affected. So just toggle that on. So that's it. So whoever goes here to your account, especially those accounts that you don't follow back or don't allow to follow you, then they won't be able to see your repost video. And basically, that is it. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.